अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा टॉपिक है मोनोपोली। मोनोपोली होती क्या है असल में, जहाँ पर देयर आर वन सेलर एंड मैनी बायर्स। मतलब कि वो फार्म नहीं होती, एक वो फार्म नहीं होती है, लेकिन वो एक सिंगल सेलर होता है जो अपने मुताबिक वो प्राइस सेट कर सकता है। और मोनोपोली रिसोर्स की द सिंपलेस्ट वे फॉर द मोनोपोली टू arise is for the single firm to own a key resources. This simplest way of the monopoly to arise for single firm to own two key resources. For example, consider the market for water in small town in the old west. If dozens of town residents having working well, the competitive model discussed in the preceding chapter describes the behavior of seller. Okay. As a result of the competitive among water suppliers, the price of gallon is driven to equal the marginal cost of pumping an extra gallon. There is only one well in town, and it is but impossible to get water from anywhere else. Then the owner of the well has a monopoly on water. Not surprisingly, the monopoly has a much greater market power than a single firm in a competitive market. In the case of necessity like water, the monopolist can command quite a high price even if the marginal cost of pumping an extra gallon is low. A classic example of a market power is arising from the ownership of the key resource in De Beers, the South African diamond company, founded in 1888 by Cecil Rhodes, an English businessman and benefactor of the Rogers Scholar, had a time control up to 80% of the production. Government create monopoly. In this case, monopoly arises because the government has given one person or from the exclusive right to sell some goods and services. Similarly, the monopoly arises from the sheer political clout of the world-being monopolist king. For example, once gained exclusive business licensing of other friend and leisure. At other times, the government grants a monopoly because to going is viewed to be in the public interest. The patent and copyright laws are two important examples. When a pharmaceutical company discovers a new drug, it can apply to a government for a planet. If the government deems the drug to be truly original, it proves the patent, which gives the company the exclusive right to manufacture and sell drugs for 20 years. Natural monopoly क्या होती है ना? Monopoly that arises because a single firm can supply a good or firm at an entire market at a smaller cost than can be two or more firm. An industry is a natural monopoly with a single firm can supply a good or services to an entire market at a lower cost than could not two or more firm. A magnitude monopoly arises when there are economics to scale over the relevant range of output. Figure 1 shows the average total cost of firm with economies of scale. In this case, a single firm can produce any amount of output at a least cost. That is, for any given amount of output, a larger number of limits leads to less output per firm and higher average total cost. An example, आगे हम देख रहे हैं monopoly versus competition. The key difference between competitive firm and the monopoly is the monopoly ability to influence the price of its output. A competitive firm is smaller relative to the market in which it relates and therefore has no power to influence the price of its output. It takes the price as given by market conclusion. By constraint, because a monopoly is the sole production in its market, it can alter the price of its good by adjusting the quantity of supply at the market. One way to view this difference between a competitive firm and a monopoly to consider a demand curve and each phases. Figure 2 में बताया गया था competitive firm sells a product with many perfect substitutes. The demand curve that any of the firm faces is perfectly elastic. By constraint, because the monopoly is the sole producer in its market, the demand curve is the market demand curve. Its demand is the market demand curve. Thus, the monopolist's demand curve slopes downward for all the usual reason. Point of view of figure 2, if the monopolist raises the price of its goods, the consumer buy less of it. Looked at another way, if the monopolist reduces the quantity of output it produces and sells, the price of its output increases. The market demand curve provides a constraint and a monopoly ability to profit from its market power, and developers would prefer if it is possible to create a higher price and sell a large quantity of a higher price. Allah Hafiz.